Hey guys, I'm Mark with the Oval RC, and today this is my top pick right here at the 2026 Cabin Fever Show, and with me is Sean Kohler to tell us all about this truck that he has.
Well, it is a 1/14 scale model of a Gradall XL 5100 Series 5.
They're kind of like an excavator and a truck altogether, but I don't know if they make them anymore or not, right?
They do. This is, you can go to a Gradall dealer and buy the real thing of this right now.
Okay. Now, the reason why this is my top pick, there's a lot of trucks here, probably 1,000 trucks, and they look beautiful. But this is unique. Nobody else has one like this, and I understand that you built this yourself. Tell us how you did it.
It's all 3D printed. It's based off of a Tamiya King hauler chassis. I cut down the frame rails a little bit. I did all the CAD work for the body and upper structure myself. Basically, I used the data sheets and parts manuals to design the parts and get all the functions.
You looked on brochures
Yes.
from the manufacturer, right? And decided this is what you wanted to build. There is nobody else that you copied off of, and this might be the only one in the world. I heard you over talking to somebody that there might be another one out there, but we're not really sure, right?
That is correct. I'm aware of like one other, but it's like there's Soviet versions of a Gradall and they model them in Europe.
And how much of the model is metal? How much is printed?
Frame rails are metal, axles are metal, drive shafts, motors, wheels are metal. The rest is 3D printed.
Okay, I'm looking at what they would call the house on an excavator. I guess they call it the same thing on a Gradall. But this rotates.
Yes.
This piece here, I think they call the boom. Mm-hmm. That extends just like a real Gradall will.
Yes.
But what blew my mind was it rotates. Mm-hmm. And you made the rotator here, and we're going to show that up close. How did you do that?
Well, it's just like the real Gradall. There's a ring gear. There's two bearings in here to support the boom, and then there's a pinion on a motor down here, and it pivots it.
And not only does it extend, lower, rotate, but the bucket also moves too.
That is correct. There's a small motor in the front of the boom, and then there's a screw drive. So it's got a lead screw and a lead nut on a little cylinder rod to drive the bucket. Now,
is there going to be another version coming out that you're working on, or is this what your final one?
I'm working on the high rail version of it. They call it a track star. It's got high rail wheels in the front and the back that deploy so that you can work on railroads.
Okay. All right. Well, guys, this is my #1 pick here at Cabin Fever 2026 for its uniqueness, for a custom build. It's over the top. It really is. And we're going to take it out on the dirt right now. I'm going to show you how this actually works because this got some weight to it, right?
It does.
And it does move some dirt, doesn't it?
It does.
Okay. All right, guys. That's what we're going to do now. We're going to head out on the dirt. So there we have it, guys. My #1 pick at the 2026 Cabin Fever Show with Sean Kohler and his awesome Gradall truck. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.